potential flood of occurred. Where? The St. River above Singac. When? From Wednesday afternoon until further notice. Impact at 8.5 feet. Portions of the Waytown Center parking lot begin to flood. Hudson Avenue and Riverlawn Drive and Wing begin to flood. Fairfield Road, Fayette Avenue, and Riverside Road in Wing can flood as water backs up the Pumpkin River. Lincoln Boulevard in Lincoln Park can also flood due to backwater up the Pumpkin River. Sippiquilic River Park also floods. At 9.0 feet, Two Bridges Road in Fairfield is subject to closures. At 9.5 feet, Champlain and Marginal Road in Fairfield begins to flood. At 10.0 feet, Two Bridges Road in Fairfield begins to flood. Trims Drive, Fiesta Drive, and Market Street in Wayne are all susceptible to flooding. William Street, Lewis Street, and Zealous Avenue in Little Falls can begin to flood. Portions of Lincoln Park become impassable. The Meadows Golf Club in Lincoln Park floods. At 11.0 feet, Little Falls Road in Fairfield floods. Flooding increases across the Singac section of Little Falls. At 12.0 feet, Willowbrook Boulevard begins to flood. The Route 46 ramp to access the Willowbrook Mall can flood as the Mount Thompson Brook backs up. Additional details at 2:45 p.m. Tuesday, the state was 5.0 feet. Forecast. The river is expected to rise above flood stage early tomorrow afternoon and continue rising to a crest of 11.7 feet early Friday morning. Flood stage is 8.5 feet. Flood history. This crest compares to a previous crest of 11.5 feet on September 3rd, 2021. http://www.weather.com